Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that has been gaining a lot of traction in recent years, lean healthcare. Lean healthcare is a system of management that originated from the manufacturing industry, but has been adapted and applied to healthcare organizations with great success. The main goal of lean healthcare is to improve the patient experience, increase efficiency, and reduce costs by streamlining processes and eliminating waste. One of the key aspects of lean healthcare is zero defects, which means that the healthcare organization strives to eliminate any errors or mistakes that could impact the patient's care. This leads to a safer and more reliable healthcare environment for patients. Another aspect of lean healthcare is reducing queue time, or the amount of time patients have to wait to receive care. This is achieved by improving the flow of patients through the healthcare organization, reducing wait times, and improving the overall patient experience. Lastly, lean healthcare aims to reduce the amount of walking path that patients have to take in order to receive care. By reducing the distance that patients have to travel, it leads to a more efficient and less stressful experience for patients, while also reducing the workload on staff. In conclusion, lean healthcare is a system of management that focuses on improving the patient experience, increasing efficiency, and reducing costs. By eliminating waste, reducing queue time, and reducing the amount of walking path, lean healthcare has become an effective solution for healthcare organizations looking to improve their operations.